Okay, welcome to CSONS at Home. So, in the box this week, first of all, we're doing pearl barley arancini with some pea hummus, some Shropshire microgreens, some Appleby's Cheshire, smoked paprika, and some olive oil. Going to reheat the arancinis in the oven. Got the oven on about 200. I guess they're going to take about 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, so our arancini is nearly ready, so we're going to plate up the starter. Take my hummus. Okay, so I'm just going to spread that pea hummus out on the bottom there. So get my nice and hot arancinis. The micro herbs first. Just going to pop a quick. I'm going to go with the lovely Appleby's Cheshire. Okay. All around. Some of this lovely olive oil from the olive press in Ludlow. Finally, a little bit of smoky, spicy sweetness with the smoked paprika. I'm just going to sprinkle over.